Hello everyone, welcome to my today's video. Today is a bit different because it's a long weekend. We are out. My kids are at the back and hopefully you guys are quiet, right? So I am like very much impatient because I have to show you something and I myself will be seeing that as well. So I have a new package from Linjer Jewelry and I cannot wait to unbox it with you guys. So when I was going out, when I was coming out today, I thought I should just bring it with me because I have no patience. I want to unbox it with you guys, and because we are out all day today, so I'm thinking like I will be unboxing that just right here with you. So here is the package that I have and I'm going to open it with you guys and you'll see what we have. I am collecting a lot of Linjer pieces for every occasion, and this time around I have something really special. Let's see it together. So guys, I just got off the car and I'm going to do this unboxing together. This is the best part, to do the unboxing with you guys. It's always excites me so much, and because of the wind it is hard to talk, but still it's so exciting because you guys are here. Wow, it's so beautiful as always. Linjer jewelry comes very nicely in a box, and then you have this pretty little note here. Hi Sadia, hope you love your new pieces. Love Linjer team. Absolutely love that sweet little words. And here are my jewelry pieces. Can't wait to see them together. Okay, so you guys know how much I love Linjer pieces. I have been working with them for a long time now and I have made quite a good collection for myself, and I'm very happy with my collection, jewelry collection. So Linjer is a brand, female owned brand, and Linjer means line. It's a Norwegian word. So these pieces are actually very delicate and absolutely gorgeous pieces. They're very delicate, very classic, and absolutely something that you can wear for your day-to-day basis, or you can just elevate your look dressing them up. So they're fantastic. Let's see what we have first and we will talk more about it. So the first piece here, can't tell you how excited I am, and unboxing outside in the cold, it's fun. I love their packaging. This blue velvet packaging is so beautiful, especially for gifting, and they use recycled and sustainable packaging, which is absolutely fantastic, and offsetting carbon emissions for every shipment. Now my first item is out, and this is a solid gold. My solid gold collection is increasing with Linjer. This is the dainty petal bracelet, 14K gold, and very sparkly. This kind of everyday jewelry is my absolute favorite because I can wear them at my work. So also let's see the next piece right here. Very excited. Also you guys can check the link down below. Also adding the coupon code down below, which is going to give you a good offer while you purchase. And here comes my moonstone ring. Absolutely gorgeous. It has that iridescence effect, which I love so much, and it is actually so much gorgeous in person. These two rings right here is also from Linjer. All the rings that you see here are gold vermeil pieces from Linjer, which means they are 22 karat gold plating over sterling silver, and it has a very thick layer, 5 times more thicker than the regular gold plating, which is why it lasts very long time. You can use it regularly without worrying of discoloration. So gorgeous. Absolutely in love with my new ring. Okay you guys, I hope this unboxing here outside in the cold, Toronto weather is really cold now, but I'm really enjoying the cold for now. So that is my unboxing of the jewelry pieces. I hope you really loved it, but outside is really windy, so it's hard to talk. Let's go inside and talk details about it. Sustainability is a core value of the brand, and they use 100% recycled gold and silver. Also only use fine metals like gold, silver, sterling silver, and gold vermeil, which is sterling silver plated with a thick layer of gold, but there is no use of fast fashion brass base here. This is their 14K gold piece, and this ring, this moonstone ring, this is their gold vermeil, and their gold vermeil, as I said, they are 5 times more thicker than the regular gold vermeil pieces, so they are really long lasting, and their gold and silver are all sustainable, they are recyclable, so I just love them. They are more affordable than any other luxury jewelry pieces. Also, one of the best thing is that Linjer pieces are more affordable, and they provide you with the best price just because there's no middleman between their customer and the retailer, so you can actually get them for the best possible price. And they have these everyday jewelry pieces, you can have high-end luxury jewelries. They have all sorts of designs. Linjer jewelry usually have the same pieces in both designs for gold, and for gold and gold vermeil they have similar designs. So if you want more affordable ones and the ones you are not worried about when you're traveling, so if you lose them you don't worry, and those are the gold vermeil pieces. So they have the same design as the gold pieces, so you can just wear them during your travels and every day, like when you are worried about losing them. But they have the, if you are only about you know, gold, pure gold, then they have those as well. They have white gold, and they have diamonds. Their diamonds are lab grown, so they are also very much affordable, and I love how they shine. Their shine is incredible. They're very sparkly and absolutely gorgeous. All my Linjer pieces are still doing great, especially I'm talking about the gold vermeil. Golds are always good, but the gold vermeil pieces, you see there is no discoloration. I just wash my hands every time wearing it and it's not discolored, so they are like really good investment, so you can check those out, and I have the link down below in the description box, also the coupon code which will give you a good discount, so do check that out. This moonstone ring was in my wish list for a while now, and so happy that finally I have it. It gives an iridescent effect, white and blue hue, just absolutely dreamy. This is the most unique ring in my collection, and I think everyone should have at least one in their collection because this is the most unique ring one can ever have. Also, I think currently this trend is coming, and this 14K gold petal bracelet is just so shiny. Pieces look more elegant because of the soft hue of the gold. Their pieces are hypoallergenic and nickel free, so I can just wear them every day without worrying. This tiny travel-friendly jewelry case is also from Linjer, and that is my absolutely favorite. So when I travel, it doesn't take much space, and also I can keep my jewelry safe. Oh, and don't forget to check their birthstone pieces and charm jewelries. Birthstone pieces are, I think, so sentimental, and they make just great gifts. Charms are very individual and very personal. Over the time, you can collect more and more to build your story through your jewelry pieces. Their lab-grown diamonds are so sparkly, and each of the pieces are so delicate, so gorgeous. Linjer pieces are loved by many celebrities like Gigi Hadid, Hailey Bieber, and many more. You guys know that I'm a person, I love jewelries from my hands, so their rings and bracelets are my most favorite, and I would love to know what is your favorite from their collection. So now it's time to just say goodbye, and I hope you really enjoyed today's video. This video ends here today, and I'll be see you next time on my next video. Bye.